Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogs with Victoria. So vsquad, today we're gonna be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. Oh my god, let's see, it's so cute. But yeah, and right before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, and the comments have been on recently because I got the YouTube Studio app, so now every 10 minutes I just like turn them on. And yeah, that's really exciting. And do you like the name vsquad? I voted on Instagram. 59 people said they liked it and 12 people said they don't. So I'm pretty sure they like it. So vsquad is your guys' official name. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so I'm starting off by priming my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And actually this is such a good eye primer. If you guys don't want to go buy a very expensive primer or any eye primer at all, I suggest using the Tarte Shape Tape. That's Tarte Double Duty Beauty. Oh well. I had the shade Fair Light Neutral. I'm actually, in my old one, I was actually a little darker. It's light neutral, but I think I lost some skin color. LOL. And then I'm using the Jeffree Star Artistry palette, so I just found my brushes, and so I get them. And now I'm using this like cotton candy shade. It is such a gorgeous shade when applied to the eye. It's like pastel pink. It's gorgeous. By the way, it's getting really messy everywhere because that's just the way it is. I cleaned it up after, but it's the shade called Back. So I'm just putting Back everywhere on my eye. And then to deepen it up, I added a little bit of Self-Made. And that's me when I cleaned it up. Much better looking. Little sharp wing. Love that. That's me like looking, where to go. And by the way, I'm also watching a movie while doing this. So yeah, usually I listen to music and then my camera fell. And yeah. LOL. And now I'm just putting that up. Sorry, you couldn't see my eye. And then that's me trying to get my other stuff. Whoa, my Jeffree Star palette just fell down. Okay, so then I'm just adding, to deepen it up, I'm just adding a little bit of Mogul. Sorry, by the way, I'm pronouncing like all the names wrong, but I add a little bit of Self-Made, Mogul, and Back. Back is like the prettiest cotton candy shade like ever. And that's me when I all finish. I just added a little bit of Welcome to the inner corner and added my lashes. And this is the e.l.f. primer and me raving about how good it is. But I just can't actually hear it. It's a matte poreless putty primer. This is actually the best stuff ever. It's like only $8. Okay, by the way, that stuff is like $8, really cheap and really amazing. It's like amazing. You don't have to go out and buy the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. It was amazing. I had a sample because it's like way too expensive for me to buy. But it is actually really good. But this is like the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, but like better. Oh, and then I just added my favorite foundation in the shade Deauville. Sorry, I was like raving about primers. Yay. And then I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape and my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade. This is a great question. It's in the shade Cafe Con Leche. And yeah, and that's me getting upset that I got concealer on my eyeshadow. And I'm just blending. Woo! I like to blend, but at the same time I don't. So probably think I love to blend, but with all those blendings. Okay, then after that I just added the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. It's actually really good powder. I know Too Faced is having a little backlash, but I really like the peach powder. It's really good, so sorry. But yeah, and then got my contour brush. So I couldn't find my contour brush and I was really upset. So I got another one, and that I just dipped into the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. This is the best bronzer you'll ever meet. Like, it's in Saddle, and like but it's actually the best bronzer ever. But by the way, I added a little lot of, and then I scraped my bronzer and I was like very upset. So yeah. And that's me just like really packing that bronzer. This is like the best stuff ever, so like I buy it a lot. I still haven't hit pan because you only need like a little bit of that stuff and then you're like boom. But I couldn't put my powder brush, so I was very upset, so I just added a little bit too much. And like contour that double chin, even though I don't really have a double chin, but you know, yeah. Then I'm getting my blush brush ready, and I got my Dream Rush blush. I actually love this stuff. It's amazing. My Benefit, amazing. But there's no problems. I wish Benefit, Anastasia Beverly Hills, sponsor me please, or Jeffree Star, sponsor me. Okay, never about that. Okay, then I remembered how to put stickers on my face because I'm making little hearts. So I just wiped away the powder. I'm like, girl, that powder's still on my face. I need to whip it up. So I just wiped away the powder. Does anyone hear some ASMR? ASMR on the phone too. And then I just put the stickers on my face, and they were not sticking. This is actually the hardest thing ever to do. To be honest, I'd rather have hand drawn them, but they gave me amazing outline, so it's kind of worth it at the same time. Normally these stickers took forever to put on my face. See how like it kept on falling off, and I was like, oh my god, why are they falling off? And like every time I tried to put blush on, they would fall off. But they're stickers, so they're not meant for the face. And then I was like, you know, I'm gonna add some eyelash glue. And then I was like, what if they don't come off? And I would be very sad if my stickers won't come off. And yeah, and by the way, guys, a fun fact: I had to end up cutting my eyelash glue because none of the eyelash glue was actually coming out, because you know how it gets dried up and clogged up. Well, that's what happened. So I was very disappointed in that. Oh my god, and I just beat some eyelash glue, if you heard that. And that's me just adding some blush to it and just took off the stickers, and it actually was super satisfying. And that's me grabbing a eyeshadow brush. I'm using the CC Beauty, what's it called? CC Beauty 12 color palette. And I'm just drawing on the hearts and coloring them with pastel colors, because if you know the conversation cards, they're really cute pastel colors, and I just really want to recreate that pastel look. And by the way, guys, I'm really sorry for talking super fast, but that's like I actually talk in real life really, really fast. Videos, I'm going to talk slowly, but in actual life, I talk really fast. And then that's me coloring it. That was a pastel purple or pastel blue. I actually don't remember, and you can't really tell. And there's pastel green, and now that I'm looking on camera, it's not that, I mean, it's good, but it's a little messy. It's okay. But I wanted it to really pop because it wasn't showing on camera, because it's pastel, and my blush was pastel too, so. And that's me adding a little bit of powder. I had to get a pressed powder because I didn't want to have all the powder going everywhere, like sticking onto it, just so I grabbed the pressed powder. And then that's me actually adding a little bit more color to it, because I wanted to look cute. Oh, by the way, don't mind my nose crunch. I'm really sorry about that. Yeah, I'm not good at nose crunch. And then I'm using my new Brain Freeze palette and my Jefferson Mystery Box. This is actually the best thing ever, and I'm using the shade called Frost, I believe. I actually don't have all my products out right now to remember the names, because I usually do memorize the names. But yeah, oh, Frozen Fruit. Almost super close. Frozen Fruit, and it's the pinkest shade, and it actually the most gorgeous thing. And the blue and the pink, it actually looks gorgeous. But my favorite color, like ever in the palette, like I said in the mystery box, if you guys didn't watch it, you guys should. It's called Gold Breaker. It is actually the best. And then that's me adding my favorite lipstick, but I think it is discontinued, Thick as Thieves. It's the best color like ever if you're ever looking for it, but the closest color to that is Gemini, and I'm a Gemini, so perfect match. And by the way, I forgot to film a little part of me showing my makeup look, but thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Bye.